Hello students. So in this video we see equal intercept theorem. What is intercept? Now student, we are seeing that there are two figures, figure number A and figure number B. In figure number A we are observing that there are two lines L1 and L2, and in figure number B there is also two lines L1 and L2. But the difference between these two figures is that here L1 is not parallel to L2, and in this case L1 is parallel to L2. And this AB is transversal on L1 L2 here, and AB is also transversal line on L1 and L2. But when both the lines are not parallel to each other, it does not form an equal intercept. But when the lines are parallel to each other, they form an equal intercept. It means AP is equal to PQ. Clear? So in this video we study about equal intercept theorem. So the statement of the theorem is, if a transversal make equal intercept on three or more parallel line, then any other transversal cutting them will also make an equal intercept. अगर तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा पैरेलल लाइन है, अगर एक ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन इन तीनों पैरेलल लाइन को कट कर रही है तो इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म करती है. तो अगर इस ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के अलावा कोई और ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन भी पास करेगी तो वो भी इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म करेगी. ये हमारा थियरम का स्टेटमेंट है. तो सबसे पहले हम गिवन लिखेंगे. लेट देयर बी थ्री स्ट्रेट लाइंस L1, L2 and L3 such that all the three lines are parallel to each other. Now transversal AB make equal intercept on L1, L2 and L3, that is PQ equal to QR. Now another transversal line is this CD, which also make equal intercept KM equal to MN. Now we have to prove that this KM equal to AM. So we have done one construction. We have joined this PN, और जो PN हमने जो ज्वाइन किया डॉटेड लाइन से हम शो करेंगे जो लाइन L2 को कहाँ कट कर रही है, एट पॉइंट O. Now proof of the theorem. On one column we write down statement, on another column we write down the reason along with the statement. First statement is PQ equal to QR and QO is parallel to line L2. PQ equal to QR and this line QO is parallel to line this L3. It is given. Now O is the midpoint of this MN. O is the midpoint of MN. So we can say that PO is equal to this. PO is equal to ON by converse of midpoint theorem. That is PO equal to ON and OM is parallel to line L1 by statement number 2 and given. M is the midpoint of NK. M is the midpoint of NK. So we can say that KM equal to MN, proved by the converse of midpoint theorem. Okay. So here your equal intercept theorem is proved. On the basis of this we see the exercise 2B of the chapter. Now students, we see question number 1 from exercise 2B. In the given figure, L1 is parallel to L2 and is parallel to L3 and Km equal to Mn. We have to find, if PQ equal to 1.8, we have to find QR. So by equal intercept theorem, we can say that this PQ is equal to QR. Okay, as L1 is parallel to L2 is parallel to L3, and by equal intercept theorem we know that when this transversal line is passing through the parallel lines, then it make an equal intercept. Therefore we can say that PQ equal to QR, which is equal to 1.8 centimeter. B, if PN equal to 5.8, find GN. If this complete PN, diagonal PN is equal to 5.8, then we have to find this GN. So GN is half of PN, which is 2.9 centimeter. Question number C of first, if PR equal to 4.6, we have to find PQ. So PQ equal to 4.6 upon 2, which is 2.3 centimeter. And D part, if PG equal to 2.4, we have to find PN. If this PG is equal to 2.4, we have to find PN. So PN is 2 times PG, which is 2 into 2.4, equal to 4.8 centimeter. Clear? I hope you understood. Now question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to CD and P is the midpoint of BC. PQ is drawn parallel to CD, okay, which meets AD at Q. We have to prove that this PQ bisects AD and also prove that this PQ bisects both the diagonal AC and BD. So ABCD here with the quadrilateral which we have taken is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is parallel to CD and also BC is parallel to AD. Since P is the midpoint of BC, therefore PQ is parallel to CD. Let us join this AC which cuts this PQ at point O. Okay, so we can say that in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to AB because it is given that in a parallelogram both the sides are parallel to each other. Since P is the midpoint of BC, parallel line drawn through P bisect the other side AC. Hence we can say that this AO equal to OC. Now we take triangle ACD. This triangle ACD in which we can say that this OQ is parallel to CD. Okay, and this line OQ is parallel to CD and also passing through the midpoint O of AC which bisect the side AD. Okay, hence we can say that this PQ is the bisector of this PQ bisects AD. Clear? I hope you understood, student. So here your exercise 2B is finished. Chapter is also finished. Finish all the question in your mathematics copy. In next video we see the next chapter from the unit geometry. Thank you, student.